Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Python Guru. Today we'll be talking about Python Pandas Data Selection. So whenever pandas come into the picture means lots of data is around. Whenever we have lots of data, we need to have some handy tool to retrieve the data. So today we'll be talking about get item, label, position and indexing, boolean indexing to retrieve data of our interest. What are the tools we'll use today? We'll be using VS Code, and in the VS Code, I've configured Juniper Notebook. And in the Juniper Notebook, we'll be using import pandas PD, very standard. And in the PD, we are loading CSV file and converting to the data frame. And this is how the data frame looks like: 1,000 rows, 8 columns, very interesting data. So let's start with the get item. Maybe we are not interested in all the data. We are interested in one column of the data, and that is the team. And this is how we retrieve the team data. Or we can say that we are interested in two, like from data 0 to 2, and then we can get the data from 0 to 2. So this way we can see that we are able to make use of get item and retrieve the data of our interest. How about using the label? So in this one, it's a default label, so it is 0 to something, all the number. So we'll say location, get the data of label on the second location, and we'll get that. Also, we can say that from the entire table, get the team as well as, and then we'll see that team and gender data from entire table. So that's very handy. Now we'll move on to position. And in the position, as we did for location, we can simply say I location and then we'll provide the index location. We can say 2, we get the second data, or we can say I8 at maybe at very specific at the cell level. So for that, we need two indexes, 2 of 2, and we'll get the data. The next one is very interesting and also of my favorite, and that is the Boolean indexing. For Boolean indexing, we are saying that from the dictionary greater than 1 lakh. So retrieve all the data where salary is 1 lakh. And we can see that we got 409 record. What will happen if I increase one more zero here? So the get all the employee whose salaries are more than 10 lakh and there is no employee. Similar to this Boolean operation, we can be also very specific and we can say where the salary is matching. So we'll see that two employee salaries are matching, Thomas and Larry, 61,933 and 60,500. So we can see that how easily we are able to retrieve data of our interest with this level tool. And that's all I had for you today. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.